Inisyal na tututukan ni 3-star General Acting Chief PNP Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Rantatis Jr. ang manpower, logistic at finance ng pambansang pulisya, kabilang sa palalakasin ng bagong liderato. Ang PNP organization ayon kay Rantatis Jr. magiging prioridad niya ang maayos na pamamahala ng resources ng PNP. Naniniwala ang Acting Chief PNP, epektibo ang pamamahala kung ang mga ito umano ay nasa maayos na pagpapatupad ng mga programa. Mahalaga din na niya ang enhanced managing police operations sa kanilang hanay, kasama ang paglaban sa mga krimen, pagsasagawa ng mga patrolya at paghabol sa mga wanted person o kriminal.
Sending a clear message that crime will not go unpunished. At the same time, we shall continue the 5-minute response policy of the former Chief PNP to assure the public of timely intervention and protection. Second, following the direction of our President and as we confront the realities of modern crime, we must expand our focus to include cybercrimes that is becoming more rampant or prevalent. Our cyber capabilities must be responsive and should adapt to the latest cyber threats and trends. We will prevent these crimes proactively with rapid response and establishing mechanism in place to address emerging threats. Our commitment to the campaign against illegal drugs, loose firearms, and terrorism must remain steadfast. Record shows that prevalent crimes are often associated to these personalities involved in illegal drugs and that prevalent crimes are usually committed with the use of firearms. Fourth, the morale and welfare of our personnel are paramount. Through continuous education, recognition, and comprehensive welfare program, we will empower our officers to perform their duties with excellence, professionalism, ensuring their well-being and morale remain high.
Ako si Edwin Moreno para sa DWRB 103.9 News sa PEM. Ikaw ang una.